to be restoring my 2021 re-release of the Bratz dolls. I started a little hobby this year and started to buy Bratz dolls again. They have been my childhood saviour since I was little, and knowing that these dolls have been re-released this year made me so happy, and I started a little collection and I'm thrilled. But today I'm going to be focusing on washing some of their hair. Chloe and Sasha's hair are a little bit greasy from the box. I don't know if you can tell. It's been bugging me, so I'm gonna do that. That's Chloe's hair. It's not as bad as Sasha's. Like, she's probably on like day 3 of not washing her hair, but like she's passable. But Sasha's hair is a little bit worse. Like, you can tell she hasn't like washed it for like, I don't know. And it's just like out of the box hair, so it shouldn't be that bad. It's just not cute. So we're gonna be washing their hair. I'm debating on Jade's. Just got a bit of dust in her hair there, and okay, we'll do Jade as well. She's just a bit dusty and grimy, and she's also the re-release, so I think I'll be doing these dolls today. Oh, Yasmin's hair came out fine. Like, her hair is fine. It's silky, it's smooth, it's long, it's beautiful. We love her, she's doing great. So we're just going to be focusing on these 3. Move them all over to my bed. I'm just going to take them off these doll stands, take them off their outfits. I'm not going to do a boil wash because they're just new dolls. Like, they just need the hair washed. They're looking grimy, you know. I'm just going to take all the dolls off the stands and take their outfits off and wash their hair. So let's go. So I've now taken all the clothes off and undid their hair. It's all loose. Jade's is loose. So I'm gonna put all the clothes to the side, and we're just gonna go ahead and wash their hair. So let's go. So I've done all the dolls' hair, they're all washed. I'm just gonna like brush them now, and I couldn't take the camera into the bathroom because I couldn't find the angles. So I've done it off camera. And they're all done. I'm just gonna like brush through them and make sure their hair's all straight. Jade's hair had a little bit of like fallouts, but I'm guessing that's just because I haven't took her hair out of the ponytails yet. Yeah, so let's go. I've done all of the hair washed and brushed and straight. I am now just going to leave them on my windowsill and wait for tomorrow for the hair to dry. It's been a few hours now. The dolls are all somewhat dry. Oh my god. Yes, look at her hair. It looks so much better. Oh my god. I can't come up. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna redress them, put them in the outfits they were already in, and put them on the shelf. The girls are finally all dressed. I just need to do Chloe's headband and Jade's hair, and we're done. Also, while I was dressing Sasha, I think her top ripped, so I kind of ripped at the side there, and I'm so sad. But they'll be going in the second outfit soon, so it's fine with me. I'm just really sad because it's like new, but never mind. So yeah, we'll just do Chloe's and Jade's hair, and the girls are done now. They're all back on the shelves. Chloe's looking so much better. I put a little plait braid in Sasha's hair. And Jade's got cute little pigtails, and I love them. So I hope you enjoyed this little random first video. I'm hoping there'll be more content soon. I'll just post as and when I can. And yeah, thank you for watching.